Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about some of the very famous Google courses that you can do free guys. Okay, so recently Google have launched some of the important courses on the AI technology and you can do that all courses free guys. Okay, so in this video I will tell you about the process and what are the important things that you should know before doing these courses guys. Okay, how to do course, how can you get the free badge certificate too. Okay, so these are the important detail I will tell you. And if you are the fresher or if you are in the first or second year in the engineering, then this course will really boost your knowledge guys. Okay, because this is basically officially launched by the Google, and the purpose of launching these all important courses to boost the students knowledge, to help their understanding, or basically to increase their understanding in the field of AI and all things. Okay, because you know guys, these are the modern era of AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and no doubt as a tech enthusiast, you must have knowledge about the AI, what is the functionality of AI, how to improve AI, what are the important things related to AI, how AI is related with our world. So these are the important things you should know guys. Okay, so that's why Google have launched some of the important courses for the AI guys. Okay, so let us talk about the important detail guys. Okay, and remember guys, for getting such informative content must support my channel. Okay, so here guys you can clearly visualize that Google have recently launched generative AI learning path. Okay, where they have basically launched 10 courses, total 10 courses, and all courses are free guys. Okay, so these are the important courses that they have launched. Okay, so learning path activity, what are the important courses that they have launched? First is the introduction to generative AI, where they have clearly given the introduction about the AI, what is AI technology, how you can improve, and what are the important things. Okay, so recently I have done these courses. Okay, purpose is just to show you. Okay, so what actually I have learned from this, I have learned about the AI, how AI is related with our day-to-day surrounding, and how AI basically work. Okay, so there I have learned that AI basically take your data. Okay, means AI take the past data, and based on that they basically formulate various technology. So you will learn all these things. Okay, and among all the courses that I'm going to tell you, okay, that are the 10 courses you can do within a day. Okay, you can do within a day. Okay, or maximum 2 to 3 days you can do all the courses and you can get the free badge certificate too. Okay, so talking about the courses that you can do, first is the introduction to generative AI. Okay, and next, introduction to large language model. Again, this is the introductory based. Okay, so if you are the students too, either in the class 10th, 11th, 12th, then you can also do this course, because this will really helpful you in getting the knowledge about the AI and various important aspect too. Okay, next course is introduction to responsible AI. So how responsible AI, what is responsible AI, and what are the important things. Okay, so these are all courses. You can clearly realize that duration is 1 day. You can do these courses 1 day. Okay, some courses are just about 20 to 40 minutes it will take. Okay, next course is course number 4, that is generative AI fundamental. Next is introduction to image generation, encoder decoder architecture overflow. What is encoder decoder, how it basically data are encoded. These are the important things that you should know, means you will know. Next is the attention mechanism overview, transformer model and bot model overview, then creative captioning model overview, course number 9. Okay, and 10 is the introduction to generative AI studio. So these are the top 10 courses that is basically recently launched by the Google, and you can do these all courses free guys. Okay, now telling you about the process, how can do it. Okay, so I will provide link in the description from where you will redirected to this official website of Google, that is the cloudskill costgoogle.com. Okay, so simply you will came to this page. Okay, where simply first of all you have to sign in or you can join. Okay, if you have one Gmail account, then you have to first create Gmail account and you can join it. Okay, otherwise you can sign it through your Gmail account. Okay, so sign in with Google. Okay, so you can sign in with the Google Cloud. Okay, and simply I have this email, so I have signed in. Okay, so when you will sign in, then you can clearly visualize various important courses will be available, and simply you have to go this. Okay, so you have to click to these courses, and when you will click on these courses, then they will tell that yeah, you will get the this type of Google badge completion certificate. Okay, and if you have earlier done the Google Cloud, means have courses on Google Cloud, then you have idea about what is the generative badge. Okay, so this is the basically completion certificate. Okay, so some company basically provide the completion certificate, but Google will provide the completion badge. Okay, so simply you have to click here, that is the enroll in this on demand course. Okay, so you have to simply go to enroll, and just when you will enroll, then you have successfully enrolled. Okay, and you will can get this type of certificate. They have clearly mentioned about all things. Okay, they have tell about the what are the prerequisites. The prerequisite is nothing, just you must have a knowledge of English. Okay, then they have clearly written about 2-3 things you have to do. First of all, you have to watch the generative AI video, okay, then you have to basically read this document, okay. अगर आप read भी नहीं भी करें, अगर video देख लें, that is sufficient for you, okay. And then last thing that you have to do quiz, where you have to give just 5 MCQ type based questions, and that is very easy, guys, okay. You can also find these answer on the Google too, okay. So this is the video that you have to watch, okay. You can also watch in the 1x, 2x or various certificates, okay. So here you can clearly visualize these are the various details they have said about the IML, deep learning and all things. Okay, so and remember guys, the main things here in these courses, that all these courses is basically launched by the Google analyst and Google developer too, okay. So Google are basically focusing on improving the knowledge of the individual, so that's why they have launched the courses. So these are the important things that you should do to get this course and get free badge certificate, okay. So I'm showing you my certificate that I have got, okay. So this is the certificate I have got, learning path activity. Here you can clearly get idea about the course that you have done and what are the badges that you have earned, okay. So this is the badge that I have earned, introduction to AI certificate, okay, to AI generative. Here you can clearly buy, this is the badge. You can also share this in your various profiles such as the Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, whatever platform you want to share, you can also share this too, okay. This is the important document and you will get after completion of this course, okay. So friend, these are the complete process to get the Google courses free, okay. So if you are tech enthusiastic and if you have a summer break and other things, and if you wanna earn a good Google certificate and earn knowledge, valuable knowledge, then you can do these courses free. I hope video was informative to you. If you have doubt related on things, feel free to ask here, and must support my channel for getting such informative content in upcoming days too, okay. And if you are the third semester student guys, then I will especially suggest you that please do these courses, that will really help you to in boosting knowledge, in getting the basic idea of this, okay. Because as a tech enthusiast, you should have knowledge about this term and technology, which will help you in placement too. So till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.